you're here, welcome back or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start a review of the Vyzzle robot vacuum. So Christmas is around the corner. In this video I'm gonna tell you all about this vacuum cleaner, specs, how it performs, if it's worth the money in the end. So without further ado, let's start the review. Looking at the unboxing, let's see what's inside of the box. That's why I'm on a different place today, not at my desk. So we have a massive instructions, and there is a bit at the top where you have the manual and the bit to clean with water, so the mopping bit. You have also this bit here that spins around and brings the dust or whatever towards the vacuum. We have the vacuum bags and the spare mopping bit, and we have the main bit of the vacuum cleaner. This is the bit where it charges and it will collect all the dust when the vacuum cleaner stops cleaning. We have the robot cleaner. Look at this. Look. Really cool, guys. So yeah, this was just a quick unboxing. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to talk about the price, specs, how it performs. I will show you it working and how it performs, and let's move on. Looking at the price, the vacuum robot cleaner E20 from Vyzzle has a price tag of £249 in UK, and there is a voucher going on around £40, so a really good deal for Christmas. For the US, the price tag will be a little bit more. You just need to change to dollars. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so if you want to buy this, please use it. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. Let's carry on with the review. Right away, the Vyzzle E20 stands out because it combines a strong suction with smart navigation and hands-free for your convenience. The robot comes with a self-empty base that gives up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. If you are tired of empty dust bins every couple of days, or if you have pets, this feature alone is a huge win. Once the robot finishes cleaning, returns to the base and empties everything into a large sealed bag, which helps keep the dust out of the air.
Start collecting dust.
One of the biggest highlights here is the 5500 PA suction power. This is seriously strong for a robot vacuum of this category. On hard floors, it easily picks up dust, crumbs and fine debris in a single pass. On carpets, the suction kicks in harder and does a great job pulling out dirty or pet hair. The Vyzzle E20 also includes a mopping function, which makes it a true 2-in-1 cleaner. The mop isn't meant to replace a deep scrubbing, but for everyday clean, it works well. It wipes away light stains, footprints, and dried spills on hard floors, making your home feel cleaner overall. I like that it vacuums and mops in a controlled pattern rather than randomly moving around, which brings me to the navigation. This robot uses Lidar navigation, and that makes a huge difference compared with the older pump and go models. It maps your home quickly and moves in clean, straight lines instead of bouncing into furniture. You can actually watch the map being created in the app, which is really cool. The robot avoids obstacles, navigates around table legs, and doesn't clean the same spot unless you tell it to. This also means faster and more efficient cleaning sessions. Battery life is another strong point. The Vyzzle cleans up to 150 minutes of runtime, and in real-world use, that feels pretty much accurate. In a medium-sized home, it cleans the entire area on a single charge. If the battery does run low, the robot automatically returns to charging dock. and resumes cleaning right where it left off. That's something you usually see on more expensive models. So it's nice to see it here. The app control is straightforward and user-friendly. You can start or stop cleaning, schedule cleanings, choose specific rooms, and even adjust the suction levels from your phone. For anyone who likes automation, you can set it to clean while you are at work or sleeping. Voice control is also supported, so if you are using Alexa or Google Assistant, you can simply tell to start cleaning without touching your phone. Noise levels are not too bad for the power that you are getting. On standard suction, it's quite enough to run while you are watching TV or working from home. On max suction, it's louder, but that's expected with a 5500 PA of power. The self-empty process is loud for a few seconds only, but since only happens when the robot docks, it's not a big deal. Now, let's talk about who this vacuum is really for. If you live in an apartment or a house with a mix of hard floors and carpets, this robot fits right in. It's good for pet owners and busy families who don't want to think about vacuum every day. The wrong runtime, smart mapping and hands-free dust disposable makes it like a premium experience without a premium price tag. There are a few things to keep in mind. The mopping feature is best for maintenance cleaning, not deep scrubbing. Also, like most robot vacuums, you will want to keep cables and very small objects off the floor to help it perform at its best. Other than that, the experience has been smooth, without any problems. Overall, the Vyzzle Robo Vacuum Cleaner E20 delivers strong performance, smart navigation, and real convenience. The power suction, Lidar mapping, long battery life, and self-emptying base makes it a solid choice if you want a cleaner home with minimal effort. It feels like Vyzzle focus on the features people actually care about, and it shows in everyday use. And that's it, guys. This was our quick review on the Vyzzle E20 robot vacuum cleaner. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so if you wanna buy this product, please use it. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. With this said, I wish you guys and to your families a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll catch you in the next one.